Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is certain. Now, today, I'm going to be talking about a video that even the Jamaican shepherd will walk up and down on the road at the time. Probably see it and I repost it right now. It's a video for a foreign youth, typical in the Jamaica's most dangerous, in the one of the most violent, it already. Still don't already, and I keep saying it. The inferiority complex and self-hate in the Jamaican brain, the Jamaican people's brain, make it hard for them to accept their own, but embrace foreigners, especially Billy Joe. But any foreigner. See, me know when time something like one because the inbox was full instantly. There's no like build up. It's not like 20, 21, 22, 23. It's like 50, then it just go like 300. No matter what go on. And most some celebrity or something go on, man. Somebody dead or what. Or some people message me. When look, this is a video people are repost. Oh my God, check this out. Lord have mercy, check this out. I mean, take a look at Prips. Let me just say this. If after years of being on YouTube, probably I check out content from the local YouTuber, Papayas and them channel. If you watch this and came away impressed and thinks you actually learn nothing, then just like a student who go 5 years through high school and come out can't read, that's exactly what's happened to you. If you watch any of that and think to yourself, oh yeah man, this is like actual meaningful information, let's get down to the meat of the matter here. So them youth in the video, just like most of these videos, they see them going at the most dangerous communities, them youth are some dopey bad posers. Let me say that one more time. These are posers. Typical kerchief overhead, showing gun, make some vague speeches to somebody with an untrained ear, it sound impactful, but real them not say nothing. Them think they shot a fine. Them think they shot to the Ironman people who don't know how the streets actually work. As a matter of fact, it almost come across like a skit, like an entertainment at this point. If they were really about that life, look at kerchief overhead, can't hide face. Giving info on camera, still to mask, couldn't save them. Them can't stand that in place and make them talk them. Do you know me say them with some posers? They can tell when time try too hard, because they're putting on a show for the foreigner. First of all, look at money run and they want to make sure say the man get the money's worth. Just another corny group of gunbags putting on a show for the camera. Earlier mentioned the inferiority complex, self-hate in the Jamaican brain. Understand this. In case you haven't realized, Ironman is a place where people from Ironman run to other country and people from other country run to go Ironman. And make it big. Some of them can't even speak English. A foreigner who is way below average in his homeland can shine like a diamond in Ironman. A peasant, an indentured servant from the deepest, darkest, loneliest corners of Uzbekistan can drop an Ironman tomorrow, and in 5 years he's at the top of society. Ironman embrace foreigners. If you tell them 2 plus 2 equals 4, them need months to think about it. Somebody who don't look like them, with an accent tell them the same thing, them take it right away. As a matter of fact, if somebody with an accent tell them 2 plus 2 equals 5, then they still take it. Save a man and then dog will repost it. Now, don't know, this is a blast on them page. I go repost them because that them gonna specialize on them things. So, I don't want certain pages they don't know. We link with me, no one them things say, boy, look at YouTube or pay me. Nothing like that. I don't know, them say this is a blast on some of them pages. And I'm gonna repost them content. But some of the bozos I see posting this, people who normally act like they don't watch crime content, people act like they're above crime content. You see, when you realize that enough people tune into certain platforms, like it's almost like what them call it, guilty pleasure. Like them sitting in their room and then watch it when nobody else not watch. When they go road and they hear about certain YouTube channels, them go and don't know a name so. but they openly embrace and even repost foreign man content. I can tell you why I mentioned the repost content part, because I don't want to think, oh, so you look at YouTubers say, man, so the repost and get a strength. No, on me. Because it can't give me no strength. Right, I'm gonna tell them, I get to the point. Right, eventually. You see, one of the biggest arguments against the PIA way back in the day, when time it wasn't, just accepted so YouTubers can make news content where they even depend on news. Remember they say, oh, you know that, oh, you did it, oh, you know that, you're not work, you're not a real journalist. Remember them days, One of the next thing I used to say is, yo, we are talk about the good things, then we are show the bad part, we are make our man look bad. When they talk about crime, we are make our man look bad. But foreign man drop a Iron Man and make the same crime content. And they embrace it, repost, sharing, boosting, foreign man showing the worst parts of Iron Man. Why wouldn't I tell the man if it stop make Iron Man look bad? If Papaya or, let's be honest, our platform was to make some content and show them say, I make Jamaica look bad. I mean, I talk about the so-called decent people in my Iron Man. Foreign man drop a Iron Man and claim saying Ghana the most dangerous place. Man I show gun and all kind of things. And man I repost it. Man I say, oh, check this out. So him now make Iron Man look bad. When foreign man with foreign accent drop them content there, him foreign audience see that now make Iron Man look bad. Why tourist board not jump on him? Why Umbre not tell him to talk about the good things them? Why they not check him? Check that man, put him in line. Check Ross Kemp, tell Ross Kemp, yo, where are the youth? You make Iron Man look bad? Know yourself, youth. When you can't tell the foreign daddy that. Who do you think you are, looking YouTuber? Only foreigners can make content on crime. Who do you think you are? You need a foreign accent before you can do this. You're not allowed to do that. Why you not gonna tell this brother to make content on the good things them? Why you not tell him to go down up one pretty part of Iron Man, go make some pictures, the nice cool breeze and the beaches and the nice food and the warmth of the people? Why you not tell him that? It's because the inferiority complex that you wear like a medal around your neck prevents you from accepting your own but embracing outsiders, and that is why they will continue to outshine you and your children and your children's children, and you are essentially a second-class citizen in your homeland to people who can barely speak English. I know these words offend, but all I have to do is say, allow me to tell. You love gunman content, them, so you talk about badness, talk about the good things. Go tell Ross Kemp that. Go tell the brother that. I'm gonna embrace it. I was so surprised because now me I get, remember I'm gonna tell you, say people are send me the video them. So people just are repost other people post. Some of the people them when I see post it on them pages, them people in a deal with crime. Them not post nothing from them not post nothing from my view, they not post nothing from nobody. Them not deal with crime. Them tell you say, yo, talk about the good things them. Y'all go on like say good things now happen. You wanna talk about the jerk chicken, tourist board, we wanna talk about this. Hash dead, cow fat. So-called sophisticated people go like say them not interested in the crime content on YouTube. That's below them. That's below them as long as it is from a Jamaican platform. Them say, yo, man, I want in front of my camera, I don't even know if you look at YouTube. Suppose him or this, but then suppose the brother with another video, man. MI5, suppose him a Mossad, CIA, you don't know. You don't know, you open the doors to, but you don't care. I'm going to tell them the point of me talk about the repost. Because you know it's on my platform, because, I mean, I'm not trying to sound rude here, but I hardly need reposting from another platform. Let's just be honest, yes. But I had a conversation with C4 after the video come out. I talk about the same video and I talk about the most dangerous community. Now C4 a reason. the man I say, it comical people when me see I repost this. Because when C4 did his TVJ interview, me and him all I reason about it. And I say, what do you think about that? TVJ one talk to me after some of the things I'm going to do. And I say, bro, go on the road, man. Because TVJ a mainstream platform. And we just want your thing get started out and we want, right? Them look after them and deal with them how them to deal with them. So if TVJ, right, being a mainstream platform, I go make other people who we know say, right, hate/fear the Politricks watch movement, right? We know say if them see up on my platform, then them have an excuse for, so me nah them come not like them boy. But being on TVJ, then the big wigs them and the popular people them know can now repost that, right? And then your thing can push further. Never happen. Never happen. You never see none of them people that repost C4 TVJ interview. Witness of the century and all of them stay quiet. And then the banker come tell them say, yo, we know about SOE before SOE dropped. All of them stay quiet. Everybody deaf, dumb and blind. But then you work now because it's the foreign man gone at the most dangerous communities. As me say, I'm surprised for some of the people might repost it because I tell C4 say, yo, if you go up on TVJ then you don't know, some of the popular clown them might go repost it and the thing might push even further than yours, bro. Right, do it. Silence of the lamb. Yo, me say man like all, Hugo Graham I repost this. Hugo Graham, why never repost when none of the things them involved in party and the Klansman gang? You know repost now. Them man they deaf and blind to them things there now. Right. These bozos sit down and go on like to them to watch YouTube videos, and them to watch crime content, and no matter where them hear, they will never push it further. They just consume it and sit down there like me, But when them see foreign man post something that is nowhere of substance or value compared, right, to what we see now drop on YouTube over the years, I'm not just talking about my content, I don't mean YouTubers in general. They'll never repost it. They'll never push it. So them quick for post this because they know this is vague, outdated nonsense. Why you think man like Hugo Graham jump on it? Outdated crap. Yeah, you mean man, you kill all 10 and kill 3 yesterday and kill woman of us? I basically entertainment at this point. Putting on a show for the video light. But if I saw them eat our food, I saw them eat our food. Right, if you can milk Billy Joe, right, if you want to look money for an interview, then I not stop no man from making little thing. But as me say, some of the clown them me see I repost this. Some of the clown them who a Jamaican platform would have to pay them millions for them repost something. Them a do it for free. For foreign man. People who don't repost crime content. I'm saying like this is a blast on them page, but that's what them do, that's them bread and butter. But some of the other clown, I say when since them bozo they start posting them things like them that deal with crime, remember? Them too sophisticated for that. How much bombshell at a bombshell them to drop and them not push it. Because them fear that. Because that is actually using the brain of people. If me are the manager for Manchester City and a man come out and say, right, watch out. We can expose, right? You look at YouTube tactics and make him lose game. I'm insisting that at the danger thing. You think say me push that out there? You think the politician like you go give him push something when really think it's a threat, right, to him and him kind? You can't be that simple. They know this is Mickey Mouse nonsense, outdated nonsense. And also badness working at 2023. This is what they do to enough of the people. It's enough time, enough of the scholars them, sometimes they go in a bad man place and them like try and quote unquote talk to the residents, and this is how people run games around them, run laps around them, and then sit down on the corner and laugh after. I only wish I could have make on talk to, right, some of the people when I tell them when they even talk about PIA special ops. I wish I could have make on talk to some of the people then. People who actually done, right, and do things. It's just that unlike C4, them thing, right, still off the underground. You have no idea what I'm talking about. That's entertainment gimmicks. It's like the last one where the youth them start put on a little funny accent and twang for the cat. I gun back them. But I wouldn't be surprised if some trolls from up at UV. Right, who just done a sociology course and get a link. You know, say one foreign boy come in and say more about what? Alright, here we are going to make a link bridge them and collect 2 matic scene and then we go say boom and turn up that. Most dangerous communities. Why wouldn't have a problem with foreign people making Jamaica look bad? Self-hating LIQ degenerate, why are you so happy to embrace foreign people making Jamaica look bad? Or does it not look bad? Or is it revealing right things? Is it investigative journalism? Notice how them dress it up. Notice how them dress it up and time them on. Right, fall upon them knees and appease them foreign that. If we say, alright, this something and SOE, Clansman, nobody SOE, so that should say, them a link with. Them say, yo, you make the place look bad, you destroy the image of Jamaica. Ras came, come down and say, yo, that's a BA gun, BA rifle now. Oh, this is investigative journalism. That's different. I'm telling you already now. A matter of fact, why when I see Umbre come out, come say, yo, good things are happening. Umbre tell the man say good things are happening now. Check him. Check him like Unsha, check Ras came. Check him like Unsha, check the Billy Joe gone up and down all about the place now, man. Everybody man place him there. Up and down with the thugs them, kill them. Check him, you can't check him. Because the inferiority complex in your brain, right? Make you stay in your place. And make you start playing mental gymnastics. Oh, it's just, a bit of journalism. You're just trying to show how things work. So where the PIA do? So my view do? The Popeye them do? The same thing. In way more details. I don't understand why they not tell the man to stop making Jamaica look bad. Who make Jamaica look bad, man? A foreigner with a foreign audience? Or Jamaican YouTubers with merely Jamaican audience? Most people watch Jamaican YouTubers are people either in Jamaica or in a foreign board from a Jamaican and still keep up with Jamaican news. Foreign man and foreign audience. Much Billy Joe go say, oh my god, this dangerous Jamaica. Why they not say man I go cancel them ticket for the Iron Man? Why they not say man I go stop book ticket for the Iron Man because they watch on a documentary. Oh my god, it's so dangerous, darling. You see the guns in the streets, darling. We can't go to Jamaica anymore. Why not say that? Can't say that. Anyway, going to the world, you notice people are hostile to quote unquote outsiders. This is why you go to certain countries and people say, oh, these people are taking over her country. You know, they're tribalistic to their own and hostile to others. In Iron Man, it's the reverse. Iron Man people are hostile to their own and open to others. This is why the tourists will tell you Jamaica is the nicest place in the world, and the Jamaican will tell you, say, you want to jump into the sea and swim go somewhere else. How does that make sense now? See a piece of land, see a road, see everything. But for one, a heaven and for one a hell, people are doomed to being second-class citizens in your homeland. Your homeland. You can keep trying to hide your low self-esteem behind high fashion clothing brand. But you can't buy all the clothes and shoes they want. When people don't think much of themselves, they just don't. When they don't think much of themselves, or people who look like you. So when somebody asks you today, hey Bozo, how come little YouTuber, so me see little YouTuber point out the fact say, you're not post nothing for do with the crime, but as soon as fireman post, you want to come, oh, go on there, son. And then you go say, no, it's because, I just think it was so valuable, my seed bag. You don't learn nothing of that way you can't learn on YouTube for the last 4 or 5 years. The people them who need no strength and need no repost. C4 need no strength and need no repost. Right. The Clansman witnesses need no strength and need no repost. Right. With that TVJ interview, get it out there. Put real pressure upon the people. Now. Somebody who risked their life, limb, and nothing, dead quiet. Now court jesters, man. The world's best court jesters. That's why Iron Man excel in entertainment. Your destiny is to rebel against your own, but be subservient to outsiders. Out of many one poppy show. Me not take by my talk. Anybody from your youth a go mirror that man is smart and the man is a smarter, Mr. This smarter, Mr. This smarter. Smart, if he's smart, he that smart in your own country. If he is so smart, he only running from a first world country. He only running from a country that is way more developed than Iron Man. If you go Iron Man. He's not smart, he just looks smart standing next to you. Him and the people in this knows Iron Man people have an inferiority complex. And if him come and stand up and sell one piece of bread, and somebody who are Jamaican and sell one piece of bread, people are go buy feed piece of bread. If he must sell ice, and one yard man and sell ice, guess what? The foreign man ice cooler. The foreign man ice make the drinks feel cooler. Even though it's the same ice. That right there so is an example of your inferiority complex. And the reason why even in your own country, you sit on the bench by other man that can't barely speak English in the starting line. The reason C4 I'm telling you not watch no face, bro. And no one feel ever offended, especially if the cap fit them. Look YouTube a Muslim. Alright, watch it, but now watch no more video, got dislike. Hurry up. Don't make the door hit you on the way out. Right. From day one, we're 10 toes down, because we don't need validation from others. That is why even when time, way back in the day when time, everybody did I say cancel, look YouTube and everybody like pile on 10 toes down. Don't try rewrite history. I've never folded, pondered or wavered, not once. No care how the army go up against Trump and how popular the person is. So before the video end, just a reminder, 24th of December, 5 videos in a one day, 10 hours, 5 videos, 1 video every 2 hours, plus a special bonus video on Patreon for the patrons one. So really 6 videos in a one day. But I always raise the bar. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.